Hello, let's talk all about kids being at home, fun food, and them wanting to cook. I actually intentionally sign my kids up for cooking classes. I think right now is an optimal time to be working on a lot of life skills with your children. In last night's live webinar, I talked about blocking out time. And one of the things you could be blocking out time for in the afternoons or in the evenings, maybe once the more difficult assignments are done for your kids, is life skill lesson time. How to balance a checkbook, how to cook, how to properly wash and fold laundry. You could be giving them a lot of great life skills that will prepare them better for when they go to college and move out on their own. But one of the concerns I hear from some of my parents that are coaching clients is my kids home and they want to bake cookies. They want to make brownies. They want to make pies. And so kids love to cook. It's a huge fun thing to do. And I think encouraging that is wonderful, but encouraging it with health in mind. And what I mean by that is right now, instead of doing a bunch of baked goods that might be extremely tempting for you, or just not generally good for them to be eating nonstop, what if you were to intentionally pull a bunch of healthier recipes? Skinny Taste, for example, has these great banana oat breakfast cookies that are super low in sugar and they are super simple to make, but that's just one example. Also, I'd be looking at stews, soups, casseroles. Let them actually help make legit food. So like my kids have been taking responsibility for cooking lunches and dinners and getting to experiment with different recipes. Teach them to use the air fryer. Teach them to use the microwave and the stove. Actually do that, but don't give free rein to whatever they want to make. Really be the kind of captain of that ship. Hey guys, we're going to put in a cooking time every single day this week. I'm going to budget that into the schedule, but we're going to go ahead and make these recipes and find things like, that they would enjoy making, but ultimately that are more health conscious. So that is one of the tips I wanted to share with you, because as your kids are home and you're trying to keep them occupied, and again, this may be going on for a while, you may want to think about intentionally scheduling one of these home economic time periods and actually thinking through what the things are you want them to make. What is it you want them to learn? And budget that time. So that way you're not feeling like everything is out of control. Also, art centers are really helpful. Once my kids get their primary lessons done, we break up into what their personal interests are. So if somebody loves to do filmmaking, they might shoot or edit their film. Somebody else might be working on stop motion clay animation, so that's what they're working on. Somebody else might be working on watercolor paint. But if you have different centers set up in your house, if you can, that's really helpful, and then everyone can disperse to their own area. So I hope this tip was helpful. I'm trying to help you thrive during this particular time, and I know the kids can add a level of excitement to the mix, especially if you're not used to that. So I hope this will help. And if you need any more help, just let me know below. I will make some more videos for you guys. Take care.